Honda's Bluetooth hands-free link feature lets drivers make and receive calls without touching their mobile phone. To pair a phone to Bluetooth hands-free link, first ensure that it's compatible by checking the phone's user guide. To go through the process, the vehicle must be parked with the ignition on. Start by pressing the phone button. If no phone has been paired, a prompt will appear asking if you'd like to add a new phone. Touch Yes. Make sure your phone is in search or discoverable mode. Consult the phone's user guide to learn how. Select your phone when it appears on the screen. If your phone doesn't appear, search for Bluetooth devices using your phone. Select Hands-Free Link when it appears on your phone. The system will then provide a pairing code on the audio screen. Make sure it matches the code appearing on your phone and confirm on the screen. Some phones may also require that you allow the connection. A notification will appear on the audio screen when pairing is successful.